Hi. So now we learned how to do intraday. So further we are moving forward for our main segment, futures and options. Though the futures and options are very interrelated, we are doing the option trading mainly, but we are looking into future trading also as a learning purpose because, as I said, futures and options are very much interrelated. The option trading is based on future value only. So what is futures? So earlier we checked that for buying a TCS we can buy TCS NSE. We can trade from TCS NSE or TCS BSE. So and also we learned that as the volume is high in NSE, we are doing our trading on NSE mainly. So here when you just type TCS, you can see that TCS NSE, TCS BSE. After that you are seeing TCS August FUT, right? After that TCS SCP FUT, that is September FUT, and TCS October FUT. FUT means, as you know, it is future. Okay, so the same. This is a platform. The screenshots, the screens which are seeing from the platform Zerodha. Okay, when you type TCS, you can see that TCS August future, TCS September future, October future. After that, some values are showing TCS August 1520 CE, 1520 PE. That one when we will come later. So now we can see we can just add TCS NSC which we discussed earlier, and the TCS August future. Okay, you're just adding into our watch list. So now you can see that TCS NSE value is 2248.60 and TCS August future value is 2253.55, which is almost similar. When we are checking any other shares, it, yeah, it can see little difference over here. But if you are taking other share, for example Sun Pharma also, when you are checking just uh, this, as I said, this is Zerodha platform. It will be different on different platform. That will be the from high to low user friendliness. There are for angel broking, the platform will be different. For 5paisa platform will be different. Upstocks platform will be different. This platform which I am using is Zerodha, which is actually pretty much very user friendly. So you can, if you have to add Sun Pharma, just type Sun Pharma or Sun PHA, like that. It will be showing in the drop down list. Here you can check Sun Pharma NSC. To adding, you have to just click on that plus button, and also Sun Pharma August FUT. Okay, for doing the option trading you don't need to add this much. This is for learning purpose only. For option trading you just need to type that after this Sun Pharma you just need to type the strike. You will get that at that time itself, and you can just add it. This is for learning purpose. Also you don't need to add Sun Pharma NSC and Sun Pharma August future together when you are doing futures or option. This is also for learning purpose, to check, to compare, to let you compare like the intraday cash and intraday future. Okay, or future. Okay, fine. So we are adding both. So when you check, you can see that there is a little difference, but certain times it will be almost same. Slightly a decimal difference would be there, but here there is a little difference. But you can see that the TCS value and TCS August future values have little difference. Sun Pharma value, real value, and Sun Pharma August future value have little difference. Okay, so you can see that, right? So we already learned that when we are buying real share, what we will buy from NSE, we will buy like this. But now we are buying future. So what is the difference between? So we can learn by comparing this. Then it will be more easy for you to understand. So what is the difference between this real value and future? Okay. So first difference, we can take the point one by one. For duration, if it is intraday, I am talking about intraday, as we are not we are learning about trading, not on investment. So we are always talking on the point of intraday. Okay, so if we need to buy TCS intraday, what is the duration? Intraday means if we are buying TCS on cash, what is the duration for intraday? Like it will be 1 day, right? If we are buying future is a contract actually. I'll tell you an example. Okay, so the normal example which this is one of the easiest example to understand because everyone is knowing about real estate, or at least having a little knowledge, a bit knowledge about real estate. So I will tell that example. So you are searching for a property and you got one property which property value is 1 crore. Okay, and normally I don't know what's the current status, but I'm telling about this example on the knowledge which I had. This was a real estate. Now I don't know what the legal changes that happen in real estate. So I'll tell you. So 1 crore is a property value, and you are going to buy it. So you spoke with the seller. Sorry, original owner of the yeah, seller, original owner of the land, and you are saying that yeah, I am interested to buy this property, but I will give you 5 lakh as token advance so that it will be booked. Okay, it is a kind of booking, so that no, if any other guy came and asked for this property, the owner will say that no, it is already sell off. So you can give 5 lakh token advance, and you can buy this. You are giving 5 lakh token advance, and you are telling, and like after 6 months I will give you the rest of the 95 lakhs rupees, and we will register it in my name. Okay, that is a token advance you give. And once you are giving this token advance, as I said, it is already booked. It is already booked. If you are not able to give the balance 95 lakhs within that 6 month, or that particular date after 6 month, the registration date, then the broker can sell the, sorry, not broker, the owner can sell this property to anyone else. Okay, till 6 month this property is already booked in your name. Okay, so you have given how much amount? 5 lakh only, right? And after 3 months, okay, so you are getting a power of attorney, right? So you are booked this one, you booked actually. The owner is now still hold. Owner is now freeze kind, like he cannot sell this property to anyone else. You book this one. So after 3 months, uh, a development project came near this land. Okay, a development project came near this land, and the value of the property, you can think, like for example, an airport project is announced near this project, or another any other big IT company is taking land near this land. So definitely that development will occur in this area, and the definitely the real estate value will also increase. So but the owner still cannot increase the price, because it is already agreed that 1 crore is a property. But after 3 months, a new guy, that new business, like new guy is coming, that I want to buy this property, but I can give you 1 crore 25 lakhs, because on he is coming, and like you are searching for new buyer for this property. Okay, you are searching for new buyer because you know that now you gave that 5 lakh a token advance, and you know that the property value will get increased very soon. Okay, so you are searching for the buyers this time itself. So after 3 months you got a buyer, new buyer. Okay, though the property is still in not in your name, you are still searching for a buyer, and you got a buyer, that he said that okay, I will buy this property for 1 crore 20